Do you have problems sculpting your female character in ZBrush? Or do you face any problem understanding the human anatomy? Or you simply just want to get up to speed to improve your basic anatomy knowledge? Then this course is the right fit for you. Welcome to Nexttut Education's on Female Anatomy Sculpting in ZBrush course. My name is Mohammed and I will be your instructor for this tutorial. I am a freelance video artist working in the video game industry. In the past, I have worked at companies such as Hasbro, where I work as a digital sculptor, and I have also worked at EA as a character artist, where I work on the EA Sports title. I have also earned a master's degree in game development at Savannah College of Arts and Design. By the end of this course, you will be able to learn in depth about the human skeletal system, and you will also take a look at every individual piece of the human muscles in the human body. And we will also learn how to create the female figure, and we will render it, and we will make sure that we present it professionally in our portfolio. And all of this will be in real time. In the first few tutorials, we will spend time blocking out our reference mesh for our anatomy figure. And soon after that, we will dive in depth from scratch into the head anatomy by sculpting the skull, and then we will spend most of our time after that studying the reference, and we will build every piece of muscles in the human body. And then from there, we will slowly move down and we will study in details on the torso anatomy, and then we will slowly move to the arm anatomy, and finally we will cover the legs anatomy. And by the end of the course, we will wrap up the whole anatomy sculpt, and then we will start sculpting our female figure. And from here, we will sculpt and we will polish our sculpt in details, and we will finish it with some nice lighting, posing, and we will render it out as a very professional portfolio piece. This course is designed for intermediate ZBrush users who are looking to improve their anatomy sculpting skills. So basic knowledge of ZBrush is very recommended if you want to follow along the tutorials. There will be a 30-day money-back guarantee, or you can also try the free preview if you want to look further into the tutorials. So I'm really excited for this course, and I will see you then.